Go. Okay, hi everyone. My name is Martin. I'm from BenQ Australia, and today I'll be introducing you to our new product which will future-proof you for the future. This is an interactive flat panel. It's a 4K screen in 86 inches. So this has 20 points of touch enabled, and what it is it's the latest generation of collaboration device. And by collaboration device, I mean that it's a device that will enable you to make a presentation while at the same time allowing your audience to interact with you as you're being demonstrated or shown or talking about a product. So what it is it's an LCD panel that has IR touch, which is inner reflective touch. So in here there's a beam coming across, so your finger basically touches it. So I'll just lift it up on this great new stand that allows it to do that. And when I go to the home button, you'll see that I'll start up an application that is effectively an electronic whiteboard. So on this whiteboard, with your finger, you can draw objects or you can use a pen. And I'll change the color of the pen and I'll go in and I'll start drawing a shape because I want to draw something like that. So you can see that the software on the machine will automatically put a triangle on there, and then I can annotate, I can put an arrow going in saying that's the, and then I can change the color to red, for example, and then I can call this the eye of the, not the tiger, I'll call this one the eye of the owl. Sorry about that, it's a bit of a corny joke. But this is the kind of interactivity that you can do with this kind of panel. And then once you've done this, you can share and this is the collaboration. I can create a QR code or I can email it to you as a PDF file. And if I press share and then type in email addresses, I can just send you the content straight away. But the panel is 4K, so it's ultra high resolution there. And I can exit out of this. And we don't want to save that one, so I'll just go back there. And for example, I can go to a browser or I can share it, or here on the apps, we can do fun stuff like, because it's got built-in Android in there, I can just start up YouTube, look at videos straight away, or I can start up Skype for business and start a Skype call there. But other things it's got for education, you can put on apps just with an APK file. You can put stuff on there. But what should I do at the moment? I'll just go into Maths Tutor here, and you can see the type of. This is just a app that we downloaded from the internet, and you can do multiplication. We can open up that one there, and so if you're in a classroom environment, you can do the 12 times tables, for example, 2, and we can just do random stuff here, so you can do 12 times 2, and that, just type in 24, enter, and that's the right result. So this is the type of stuff you can do as a teacher, for example, but for business, you can start up Zoom software, and you can screen push it to, I can push it to another meeting room somewhere over a network, something like that. So this is the type of functionality you have. The other thing to remember from this one is that it has front inputs, so that I can just put in a USB drive there, and using WPS software, we can look at Word files, PowerPoints. The product has a built-in sound bar, so we have two 16-watt speakers down there that are pushing out sound at the front. The glare is 80% is rated to 80%. That means that it'll cut back 80% of the glare that's coming onto it. We have low blue light technology because all of the screens have an LED backlight, and that causes macular degeneration. And you can have 2 or 3 devices connected at the same time. So basically what we're doing here is we're using this product to install a product into your meeting room or classroom that will supersede the old projection or really old overhead projection or just even a whiteboard. So anything that you were able to do with a whiteboard in the past will be able to be done better with this kind of device. And I can go on, but I won't want to bore you too much, so I'll wrap it up there. And Hope you've learned something from it. The website to go to see for this kind of product is benq.com. That's BenQ.com. And from there, look for interactive flat panels and you'll find the product quite quickly. Thanks.